this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Vivecraft on Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up and play Vivecraft. For this, you will need a PC running the Java edition of Minecraft, and you also need to download some specific mods. So first of all, if you haven't already installed it, download the official Minecraft Java edition. So you download the launcher, you launch Java edition, and you make sure that you choose the appropriate version. I'm going to assume that you want to run the latest release of the game, but if you want a specific version, then you have to go over to the Installations tab and customize it here. After you have run the game at least once, now set up everything else. So first, you will need to download Vivecraft. So go to the website, click on Downloads, and as you can see, they will go over all of the requirements as well. So just scroll down, and you will find it here, Vivecraft for the appropriate versions of Minecraft. Choose Vivecraft on Modrinth, you will be redirected, and now you can find all of them here. I'm going to teach you how to install it using Fabric, but you can also download it for Forge if you prefer. In here, find the specific version of the game that you will be utilizing. So 1.21.8 if you want the latest release, so you just click on this green download button, and you will have the jar file like this. Now, you will also need to download Fabric, or alternatively Forge, NeoForge, Quilt, whatever you prefer. If you want to use Fabric, go to fabricmc.net, download the launcher, and also click on Download Fabric API. Both of these things are needed. Once you click on Download Fabric API, you will be redirected here, where you can also choose the appropriate version. So you click on Download, you choose the version from this dropdown, and then click on Download. And Vivecraft is also going to be available here on the CurseForge website instead of Modrinth if you prefer. The last thing you need is going to be Steam VR. This needs to be downloaded on Steam and it needs to be running on the background. So go to the Steam store, open the Steam launcher, and then download Steam VR. Make sure that you run this before launching the game and let it sit on the background of your computer. Finally, with all of these, install Fabric or your preferred mod loader. So if you don't have Fabric already, open the installer, choose the appropriate Minecraft version, and then click on Install. Once you have it created, you can go over to your .minecraft folder, and inside of mods, you will drop the Vivecraft jar file that you downloaded alongside Fabric API. So on your mods folder, you should have Vivecraft and also the Fabric API. When you open Minecraft, make sure that you choose the Fabric installation. So in here, instead of choosing latest release, make sure that you select the Fabric installation. Right after you run the Fabric installer, it should already be selected by default, and the same thing can be done for Forge, NeoForge, and so on. Make sure that Vive is connected to your PC. Once you have your headset connected to your PC, in this case the Oculus Quest 2, when you open Minecraft, you will see the VR toggle here. So VR will be off. If you choose this option, it will be on. With the Oculus Quest 2 connected to your PC and with VR enabled, you will now be in virtual reality mode. You will see your character arms, legs, you will be able to open your inventory, your perspective will be changed, and all of this will work as long as you set up the mods folder and you have your headset connected. You can download other mods as well, so if you want to, you can install other mods, mod packs, and everything will be in virtual reality. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.